Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to integrate Toast and QuickBooks Online. If you run a restaurant using Toast as your point-of-sale system and QuickBooks Online for accounting, integrating the two platforms correctly is critical for accurate financial reporting. Let's begin. First, log into your QuickBooks Online account. Before connecting Toast, review your chart of accounts. Make sure you have proper accounts set up for food sales, beverage sales, sales tax payable, undeposited funds or clearing account, credit card clearing account, and cash on hand. Cleaning up your chart of accounts before integration prevents mapping errors later. Then, go to the search bar and search for My Integrations. You'll be directed to a page where you can manage your integrations. This is where QuickBooks allows you to connect third-party applications. Click on Find Integrations. Then, in the search bar, type Toast. Locate the official Toast app and click on it. Once it opens, make sure to check and review the permissions carefully. Then click on Get Integration Now. Then here, QuickBooks will ask you to confirm that you want to connect this application to your company file. Click on Connect. You'll be prompted to log into your Toast account. Enter your Toast credentials and authorize access. Once authorized, the Setup Wizard will begin mapping accounts. This is the most important step in the entire process. You must map each Toast revenue category to the correct QuickBooks income account. If everything looks accurate, enable automatic syncing. From this point forward, your workflow should look like this. Toast records daily sales activity, sales summary syncs to QuickBooks automatically, bank deposits match net payouts, you reconcile weekly or monthly. It's strongly recommended to reconcile your bank account and credit card clearing account monthly to confirm deposits match synced entries. If discrepancies appear, review the connector's sync log immediately. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.